welcome to the next video. Now we're gonna open more. Like, you don't need to show this package anymore because you just showed it in the first one, right, guys?
Yeah.
Why you talk so? I don't know. Why you talk? I don't know. Let's open it because I just colored it. I just make my finger blue. Let's keep opening it. We got another blue tile. What? Do you have a duplicate?
Yeah, we always got a lot of duplicates, and your cousins are
It's
so.
not. I feel it. It's something else. When you think it is, it's not, right? But you think it's not, it is, right?
Yeah, it's always like this.
Yeah.
That's life. C'est la vie.
We got soap or shampoo?
Yeah, maybe shampoo.
Shampoo? What is that word? Shampoo. It's like a Sam. It's a name and then a poo. Sam's poo. That
Oh,
means
that's disgusting.
He has poo. A hair blow dryer. Blow dryer.
Yeah, done. What next? What's next?
I don't know. Let's guess. I know, only I know. You guys have to guess. It's a mirror. You guys don't have to guess. Let's put both of the tiles together. What? Oh no, I have to put these ones down to put the tiles together. Like it matches. Oh wait, how do you put the tiles together? So hard. Okay. It's like it matches it, right? And this. Pew-pew-pew. Ah! The face is in the back. Let's move on to the next video. Which way is that? Boom!